Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got a quick one for you today. I'm just going to be talking about a locksmith tool that maybe a lot of you have never seen. It's made by a company called Keedex, called the SPINOUT. You can buy it all over the internet. It ranges in price. Look at that, jumps $20 in places. Worth every cent. I've used these type of screwdrivers before. Don't get the bite that you really need when you're turning this screw in and out. You're going to kind of wreck the head on that screw. And so this one, let me show you how easy this thing works. I have the mortise housing. The head of this tool, which is pretty heavy, it holds down in this bronze bushing, and you can replace these tips. Hold down and look at how easy that takes that screw out. It's called a SPINOUT for a reason. Highly recommend this tool. Okay? Highly recommend it. Thumbs up. I needed Adam's right tailpiece. It just doesn't work in every application, these tailpieces for Yale. Let's see if there's no, there's no spacer in there. These screws are so small you have to grab them with the tweezers. I'm going to put that right on the top there. I just spin that screw in. Just that easy. Next screw. Just put it right on the tip of the screwdriver. How about that? Spin it right in. And there we have it. None of the screws are hurt in any way, shape, or form. You can put in any tip that you'd like. If you need a number 2, this is a number 3 tip. Fits right in there beautifully. So there you have it, guys. Keedex SPINOUT, unsung hero, locksmith community. Go ahead and buy it from CLK Supply, your locksmith suppliers. Get yours while they're hot. Thanks again, everybody. Tune in next time, and I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way in the future. Please hit that like button, tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way in the future. Oh, smash the like button, will you? Thank you so much.